here. I mean, are you looking to get this done as soon as possible, or?
It's like I said, if you want it done as soon as possible, I'm okay with that. If not, then that's fine too. So
Okay.
you know, like I said, I am getting good rent, and I have kept up. You know, when something breaks, I fix it. So everything's in good shape except for that outside wall, and I getting good rent. So if I can't get 100,000 out of it, then I'm going to hold on to it.
Yeah, I totally understand.
I get all kinds of calls on all my different places to people wanting to know if I'm going to sell it, and people are wanting to get a really good deal on it. Well, I'm getting good rent. I got a price set, so I am. You know, I will sell it for that. I'm 71 years old, and I'm trying to get out of the rental business, but I do like the income from it.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, are you wanting to sell any of the other ones too, or I might take them all? Who knows?
I only want to sell one a year. Either that one, there's a good time to sell it. That's the one I'd like to sell.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just down here in Chillicothe. I'm sure you're familiar with it.
Yeah.
I'm not.
So you're closer to Mount Sterling than you would be to London.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, and they're building new factories close to Mount Sterling, and I'm just going by what my realtor's saying, that's an area that's really up and coming, and that it wouldn't be a bad time to sell right now. It wouldn't be a bad time to buy either, because it's probably still going to inflate in price in the near future.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Like I said, I'm definitely interested in this.
Are you? I talked to. It sounded like an Asian lady yesterday. Is that your person that talked to me yesterday about it?
No, I don't think so. I mean, I do have.
Well, somebody called me yesterday and said she was going to have somebody call me today.
Yeah, it may have been someone from my team.
Yeah, I told her that I am not going to show it to my realtor. I was going to give her his phone number, and she said she didn't want to deal with the realtor.
Yeah.
So I said, okay, then I said, you can deal with me, but the price is 100,000, and if you want to see the inside, then you're going to have to deal with the realtor, because I don't have any phone numbers to contact people to set anything up, so the realtor would have to set it up. So if she's not with you, then I don't know.
Yeah, she might have been. I mean, I have a few people that call, but I mean, so if I do this, then for me to go get in and check it out, I'd have to do it through that realtor too. You're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, are they? Well, what's their name? I might know them.
Walton Bennett, Rod Bennett in London, Ohio.
Oh no, yeah, I'm not familiar with really anybody there, but I mean, you know, if I did all the closing and title and all that, could you do 95 or no? If I pay everything?
I will consider it. You can talk to Rodney, and then we'll go from there.
You said you're going to talk to Rodney, or what? What was that?
No, I'll let you talk to Rodney, and we can go from there.
Okay, and who's Rodney? Is that the realtor?
Rodney Bennett. Yeah, he's the realtor. Rodney Bennett, Walls and Bennett.
Okay.
London, Ohio, 740 852-0330.
Okay, so is that the person that would make the decision, or?
He's got all the information, yeah. You
Okay.
can give your offer to him.
Okay, so are you under contract with him, or?
No, it's verbal. No,
Yeah, I was just trying to figure out where he plays a part in this, because, it just adds.
He is, like I'm trying to tell you, I can't set it up to show it because I don't even know how to contact one of the 3 units in the building. He rents it for me. He's got the phone numbers of all the people.
Okay.
He can set things up so you can see the inside, and if you don't want to deal with him, and you can look at the outside, but I got no way to show you the inside.
Yeah.
I'm sure you want to see the inside.
Yeah, for sure. That makes sense. I was misunderstanding there, but yeah. So I can tell you a little bit about my process. Like I said, I'm just here in Chillicothe, so I could really go there anytime. But for me to go out there though, just because I do so many deals, I would have to have an agreement with you because I don't want to waste my time and I don't want to waste your time. So I would have to send over a simple 2-page agreement, and then I'd go check it out. And as long as the roof didn't cave in or these people didn't accidentally set it on fire, I can close as quick as you want. I can close in 2 weeks if you want. But like I said, for me to go out there though, I've just done this too many times where I might go out and then maybe the seller decides they don't want to sell or something, and like I said, I don't like wasting time, and I'm sure you don't either. So if we could come to an agreement, like I said, I could send it over, then I can be out there as early as tomorrow, close in 2 weeks.
I think that I've never known anybody to sign up a contract without looking at the place, or
yeah.
You want to send me a contract? That's what you're saying?
Yeah, so we do. We do deals in Georgia, California, Florida. We're everywhere,
okay.
And honestly, 99% of the time, I never go look at it. We just do pictures, then I'll send out one of my partners or contractors. But since this one is so close, I will personally go look at it. But like I said, I don't want to waste time. I don't want to waste your time. I can close quick, but for me to even jump in the car, I just.
I don't care how quick we close as long as we have an agreement.
Yeah. If you need more time, that's fine. But yeah, I can close in as little as 2, but it don't sound like you're in a super hurry. But
well, not in a hurry, but if you want to close in 2, and we can close in 2.
Yep, even better then.
We just have to agree on. I told you 100,000, and you're saying something about paying certain costs. I don't know.
Yes.
I might agree to something less the way you're saying it, but I have to, I can't just say that I'm going to take much less than 100,000. I know that there were going to be closing costs and everything, but
yeah.
Yeah.
So
you pay whatever you just. I don't know. Are you going to tell me an offer? You want to talk to him? I don't know what you want.
Yeah. So what I want to do is send you an agreement, get it signed, then go check it out. That's what I want to do, and I can talk to the realtor to get into it. And like I said, I would pay all the closing costs, title fees, which on this one probably be, I don't know, $3,000 or so. So I mean, my number at 95 is net cash to you. No fees or nothing, no commissions, obviously. It's just, I mean, if you have any liens, that would come out of that 95. But other than, so you would get $95,000 cash. Well, not cash, but you know what I mean. A wire or a check, whatever the title company, whatever you want to do. So yeah, my process would be, I'd send you a 2-page agreement. Once you sign it, I will send that to the title company, just to, let them do their thing, make sure title's free and clear. And then I will get a hold of that realtor, figure out when he can meet me, which he'll probably have to coordinate with the tenants. I'll go check it out. As long as it is, like we said it is, then we just wait on title to come back, which, could be 2 weeks, and I'll close as soon as it comes back.
Okay. You can send me your offer. Now, were you planning on paying his 2%?
I can.
Part of your offer.
I can. So he wants 2%. 100 to.
Do you do that?
Yeah, I'll take care of him. It don't have to come from you. I'll take care of him.
Okay. Send me the offer. My email is TALAIRD. My name is Terry Laird. So it's TALaird5@yahoo.com.
Okay, just make sure I spelled it right. TALAIRAD 5.
No, it's just RD. There's no A.
Okay, TALAIRD.
Okay,
got it. Perfect.
5.
Yeah, so like I said, I'll send this to you within 10 minutes. Once I see it signed, I'll send it to title. I'll call this realtor, figure out a good time to meet out there. We'll just check it out, and then we'll close as soon as title comes back.
Okay. When you send it to me, can I sign it and send it right back? I mean, is there a way of doing that like there is with some things, or do I have to print it off?
Yeah, you can. No, you can sign it directly through the phone. And as soon as you sign it and hit, I don't know, finish or whatever it is, it will automatically come back to me.
Okay.
And then, like I said, I'll just shoot it over to title, and we'll be good to rock.
Okay. Just to let you know, over a year ago, I put everything in a trust. So the name is in a trust, and Linda, it shows in her name. We both have to agree to sell it, but she agrees to it. I think she's sitting right here. Linda, you agree to it? Yeah. She agrees to it. just to let you know.
Okay, yeah. So I'll send it, and it looks like your last name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'll put that on the contract as opposed to your name, just for title issues. And yeah, I'll send it over within the next 10 minutes.
Okay.
All right. Awesome, Terry. I appreciate it. And yeah, I'll get a hold of this realtor, figure out when to come out.
Okay.
Awesome. Appreciate it. Talk soon.
Thanks.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Pretty sure that's already dispoed.